Living near busy streets in Redmond, Washington, offers the convenience of easy access to shops, restaurants, and entertainment. However, the downside of urban living is the constant exposure to noise. Whether it's the hum of traffic, honking horns, or the sound of footsteps, this noise can infiltrate your home, affecting your comfort and peace of mind. If you've been struggling to find relief from street-level disturbances, noise-reducing windows might be the perfect solution. Noise-reducing windows are specially designed to minimize the amount of external sound that enters your home. These windows are ideal for homeowners near busy roads, highways, or commercial areas in Redmond, where constant noise can disrupt daily life. Here's how noise-reducing windows can significantly improve your home's comfort and enhance your quality of life. Enhanced comfort and reduced noise levels. One of the primary benefits of noise-reducing windows is the significant reduction in external noise that they offer. These windows are engineered with advanced materials and designs that work to block out noise, creating a much quieter living environment inside your home. For homeowners near busy streets in Redmond, the noise from traffic, construction, or even street performers can be incredibly disruptive. Noise-reducing windows use multiple layers of glass, special sealing techniques, and insulating gas layers to create a sound barrier between the inside of your home and the outside world. By reducing the volume of sound that enters your home, these windows help to restore a sense of tranquility, making it easier to relax, sleep, and focus on daily activities. Improved sleep quality. Sleep disruption caused by outside noise is a common issue for people living near busy streets. The constant sound of passing cars, buses, or even late-night activity can make it difficult to get restful sleep, which can lead to stress, irritability, and long-term health problems. Noise-reducing windows are designed to block out much of the street noise that would otherwise keep you awake at night. By preventing disturbances from entering your bedroom or other sleeping areas, these windows help you achieve a more restful night's sleep. With noise-reducing windows, you can finally say goodbye to waking up in the middle of the night due to traffic noise and enjoy the restorative benefits of undisturbed sleep. Increased energy efficiency. While noise-reducing windows are primarily known for their ability to block sound, they also offer the added benefit of improving your home's energy efficiency. Many noise-reducing windows are designed with multi-pane glass and insulating materials that help regulate the temperature inside your home. In Redmond, where the weather can range from hot summers to chilly winters, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature is important for year-round comfort. Noise-reducing windows help to prevent heat loss during the winter and reduce heat gain during the summer, keeping your home more energy efficient. With these windows, you may notice a reduction in your heating and cooling costs, which can provide long-term savings on your energy bills. Enhanced privacy. Another important advantage of noise-reducing windows is the increased privacy they provide. Homes near busy streets are often more exposed to the outside world, and it's easier for people to look into your windows when passing by. Noise-reducing windows often come with thicker glass, which not only blocks sound but also limits visibility into your home. For homeowners concerned about privacy, especially those with first-floor bedrooms or living spaces, these windows provide an extra layer of security. You can enjoy peace and quiet without worrying about being seen by passers-by, making your home feel more secure and private. Boosted property value. If you live near a busy street or highway, you know how challenging it can be to find a balance between urban living and peaceful comfort. Installing noise-reducing windows can not only improve your home's quality of life but also increase its value. Potential buyers are likely to appreciate the benefits of noise-reducing windows, especially if the property is located in a busy area. Homes equipped with these windows offer a quieter, more comfortable living environment, which can make your property more attractive to prospective buyers. In a competitive real estate market like Redmond, investing in noise-reducing windows can be a smart move that adds both value and appeal to your home. Durability and long-term performance. Noise-reducing windows are built to last. They're designed with durable materials that can withstand the elements and offer long-term performance. Unlike traditional single-pane windows that may crack, warp, or break easily, noise-reducing windows are constructed with reinforced glass and strong frames, ensuring that they maintain their integrity over time. Additionally, these windows are low maintenance. The materials used in their construction are resistant to the buildup of dirt and grime, and many are treated to reduce condensation, which helps prevent moisture damage. Once installed, noise-reducing windows will continue to perform effectively, reducing both noise and energy costs without requiring constant upkeep. Cost-effective investment. While the initial cost of noise-reducing windows may be higher than standard windows, the long-term benefits make them a cost-effective investment. By reducing your energy consumption, enhancing your home's comfort, and improving privacy, noise-reducing windows pay for themselves over time. In addition to the energy savings, these windows can also help prevent the need for expensive repairs or replacements due to damage caused by fluctuating temperatures or constant exposure to the elements. Their durability and low-maintenance nature make them a worthwhile addition to any home near busy streets in Redmond. Conclusion. For homeowners near busy streets in Redmond, noise-reducing windows offer an invaluable solution for improving comfort, sleep quality, energy efficiency, and privacy. These windows create a quieter, more peaceful living environment, allowing you to enjoy your home without the constant disturbance of street noise. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, save on energy costs, or increase your home's value, noise-reducing windows are an investment that delivers long-term benefits. If you're ready to improve your home's acoustics and overall comfort, consult with a professional window installation company to explore the best noise-reducing window options for your needs. With the right installation, you can transform your home into a quiet, serene sanctuary, free from the distractions of Redmond's busy streets.